Are you tired of sweating through the summer months or shivering in winter, all because of inefficient air conditioning? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Ductless Air Outdoor Wall Bracket. The Ductless Air Outdoor Wall Bracket caught my eye right away, especially for its solid design and affordable price of $32.99. This bracket is designed to support mini-split systems from 9,000 to 36,000 PTUs, making it an attractive option for anyone looking to install their unit securely. If you want a reliable mounting solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bracket supports up to 300 pounds, meaning it can handle heavier units without breaking a sweat. Its powder-coated hardened steel construction makes it durable against the elements, so you won't have to worry about rust or deterioration over time. Plus, the integrated vibration control feet minimize noise, which is a big deal when you want a quiet home environment. With over 1,000 units sold this month alone, it's clear people are loving this option. Now, some people complained about the installation process being slightly tricky. Here's the thing though, once installed, it's incredibly stable and reliable. If you're comfortable with a little DIY, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid and durable mounting option for your mini split system. Skip this one if you're not up for a bit of assembly or if you need a bracket for a smaller unit. Now, if Ductless Air's price point and assembly process concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach with added features. Product number 2, the hvac Portable Air Conditioner. A versatile unit retailing at just $29.99. What caught my attention is its 4-in-1 functionality, combining a portable AC, humidifier, fan, and even a nightlight. If you want cooling on the go, this is worth a serious look. This unit features 3 fan speeds and 2 cool mist modes, which means you can customize your comfort level based on your needs. The large 1,500 milliliter water tank can keep the mist going for up to 8 hours, perfect for those hot summer nights. Plus, its ultra-quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms or quiet work environments. It also includes a remote control, so you can adjust settings from the comfort of your couch. With a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 6, you're not just getting cool air, you're getting it efficiently. However, some users found the mist function not powerful enough for larger spaces. I'll be real with you, this is perfect for personal use or smaller rooms, but if you're trying to cool an entire living room or larger space, it might not cut it. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, multifunctional AC unit for personal use. Skip this one if you're trying to cool an entire living room or larger space. For under $30, it's a solid investment for individual comfort. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for stability and weight support. Product number 3, the PlusLuck Mini Split Wall Mounting Bracket. And it's designed for heavier units, supporting up to 480 pounds. What impressed me is its sturdy construction and leveler bar that ensures you get a secure fit every time. If you want something that can handle a bit more weight, this is worth a serious look. With its heavy-duty design and universal compatibility, this bracket is a great choice for almost all major brands of split air conditioners. The included leveler makes installation straightforward, crucial for ensuring your unit operates efficiently. Plus, the elevated design protects your condenser from dirt, snow, and other elements that can cause damage. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some users mentioned that it might require a bit of extra effort for installation due to its heavy-duty nature. But honestly, if you're looking for a reliable solution, the effort is worth it for the peace of mind you'll get knowing your unit is secure. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty mounting option for larger mini-splits. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, easier-to-handle bracket for smaller units. Given the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the last product's weight capacity worried you, wait until you see what the next one offers for easy installation. Product number 4, Delmar Mini Split Wall Mounting Bracket. We have the Delmar Mini Split Wall Mounting Bracket priced at $36.95, which also stands out for its universal compatibility. This one supports mini split systems ranging from 7,000 to 18,000 BTU and can hold up to 270 pounds. If you're looking for a versatile and sturdy option, this is worth a serious look. This bracket features advanced techniques to ensure it's leveled, which is crucial for maximizing your AC's efficiency. It also protects against flooding, dirt, and theft, so you can have peace of mind about the safety of your system. The rubber anchors cushion the unit to absorb vibrations and minimize sound transfer, something you definitely want in your home. With solid reviews pouring in, it's clear that many are satisfied with this product. On the downside, some reviewers pointed out that the installation could be a bit complicated, but here's the thing. Once it's up, the durability and protection it provides far outweighs the initial setup hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, reliable bracket for medium-weight mini splits. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY projects or if you prefer a lighter option. Value-wise, it's a great pick for the features it offers. If you're still looking for something even more user-friendly, let's explore our final option. Product number 5. Eastrickson Mini Split Ground Stand. We have the Eastrickson Mini Split Ground Stand, priced at $71.24. This stand is designed for units between 9,000 and 12,000 BTU and can hold up to 400 pounds. What grabbed my attention is its adjustable design and robust build. If you're serious about durability and ease of installation, this is worth a serious look. This stand elevates your AC unit about 16.2 to 21.4 inches off the ground, protecting it from water, dirt, and bugs. The heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish ensures it withstands harsh weather, making it a great long-term investment. Its anti-vibration rubber pads help reduce noise, a feature that's crucial for maintaining a peaceful home environment. With over 50 units sold recently, it's gaining traction for good reason. Some users found the assembly a bit time-consuming, which can be frustrating if you're eager to get cool air flowing. But honestly, once it's set up, the protection and stability you gain is well worth the extra time. This is perfect for you if you need a robust, adjustable stand for your mini split system. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to go right out of the box. For the quality it offers, it's a worthwhile investment. So there you have it, 5 solid options for ductless mini split air conditioners. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the PlusLuck mini split wall mounting bracket because it can handle heavier units and ensure stability. Avoid the faux tool if you need something for larger spaces, as it's better for personal use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.